Hi guys.
Hi guys, welcome back to the Island family.
Yes man.
It's your girl Maria.
The Island boys.
Island boys.
Island. Say hi.
Hi.
Come. That's not where we're walking. We're going this way. So we're here in Casino. Alright guys, so we're just here at the RSM here in Casino and change of plans.
Yeah.
You wanna tell them why, babe?
Oh, because like it's buffet food and like I just don't really feel like that.
Yeah.
I just want something like made to order, basically.
Yeah,
like
man.
we both want something made to order.
True.
It's not that we have anything against buffet food, we just don't want to eat it.
True.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
So hot, guys. It's
really like 39?
literally like 40 degrees. Just put a number out there. It's about 38, 39, but it's 40.
Yeah man.
It's really hot.
Really, really hot.
1, 2, 3, jump.
Again?
No, I'm too hot now.
Oh, please.
You got the keys, mate?
Yeah. The air itself that we are breathing really hot. It's crazy.
We could try the new place across the road from.
Oh, there's a new place.
Yeah, the new pub there.
Oh, the one where the people always
They're
talk
doing.
up.
Yeah. Do you want to go there?
I don't know.
Or do you want Chinese food? You don't want Chinese food?
Like steak.
Yeah, steak would be nice. Yeah?
So we're going to this one. What's this one called, babe? The Tats. This way, Bobo.
Come this way.
It's hot, it's hot, it's hot. Come on, Island. It's the menu, guys. Wait.
Rump steak,
Yeah,
500 grams, which is a bigger one.
yeah,
We have 2 of them.
yeah.
And then Bobo. What's Bobo gonna have? Bobo!
Island, come.
Island.
Come tell us what you want to eat. Island? No sweets, none of that. Come
After
on.
dinner. Do you want
Yeah.
cheeseburger and chips? Okay.
Island?
Not now. First food. You said you were hungry. What do you want? Cheeseburger or nuggets? And nuggets? I'll get nuggets. Hey, how you going? I'm gonna get 2 500 grams of steak.
How do you like them?
Medium well.
Yeah, medium.
Medium to well? Any gravy?
Diane gravy.
And what would you like?
Island wait.
Actually, do you want veg and chips?
Yeah, that's
Oh, sorry, mash and veg. Like mashed potato and veg.
yeah, I love that.
Yeah, you'll
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, we'll have that for 2.
Smash and veg?
Yeah, for both.
Island, chill.
And then for the kids now, obviously we're going to get some nuggets and chips. You need to behave.
Oh, it's much.
Bathroom and I'm going to go to the bottle shop to the bar.
It's much cooler here. Really. You can feel the cold here.
Oh, shoot.
Chill. Wait, wait. What do you say?
Thank you.
Cheers, guys.
Yes. Refreshing.
Just that.
Cheers, Island.
Just one.
That's ginger. Yours looks stronger. She said it's getting at the bottom of the keg, which means the ginger is a lot stronger.
Okay.
Like it's getting low, the keg, so before they change it. And I said, I actually like it like this. And she said, a lot of people don't because the ginger's quite strong.
Yeah.
And I said, well, I like it. Ginger beer, alcoholic one.
Nice.
Heck. Pardon, excuse me.
What do you say?
Excuse me.
Excuse me. I got something. Necklace.
Here, eat.
Okay.
It's hot. Blow.
Remember to blow. Garlic bread.
Cheesy garlic bread, guys. Yummo.
This is just appetizer, eh? Appetizer. Looks like pizza, eh?
Yeah.
By this time.
Yeah.
There's very monsters.
So guys, the power just went out. Oh, here it is. Power came back on. So we're just gonna say no food for us. Because you know a lot of people use a lot of electric stove. Would it be electric stove they be using? Yeah? Because it's like
gas.
Oh, gas. That's what they use in the restaurant mainly? Oh. So also, would you say that they mainly use electric?
Huh?
Would you say also mainly use electric here? Or mix?
Mix.
Yeah.
Gave us a pickaxe. I think there's a place to use it over here.
Nice area. Pretty quiet. So this is our full meal dinner for today, huh?
Huge.
Big
Do you want salt and pepper?
good.
Good. Salt and pepper on the table.
Okay. Big, hungry. We have a shell on this. Honestly guys, I'm trying to finish this last piece of steak. I'm so full right now. What about you? You end up on our last two.
All of it. I'll finish it.
What does it taste?
Yeah. It's so yummy. It's not sour.
It's not sour.
Yeah.
Is it lemon? Is it lemon or lime?
Lime.
Lime, like it's nothing.
You like it?
Yep, lemon glass.
You like it? You know what? You like it?
No.
One more. One more.
I can't believe you even tolerate it.
Look at the camera.
This is so good.
Give it a try.
I actually love the lime.
So sour, Dad.
I used to eat lime like non-stop when I was younger.
I'm so full, guys. Really big up.
But let's make sure so we finish the steak. That's the most expensive part, but we're really full.
Let me try. Let me try. Sour.
That's right.
Yeah. Dad, try some here.
I love it.
So sour.
Dad loves it.
That's sour.
The whole thing. So this is the outside area. It's quite empty at the moment. No gym dog. This is the bar area.
Daddy.
Stop. Ooh, sun a good on you now. We spent like an hour, eh?
Oh, I'm so full, guys. I feel like the most heaviest woman in the world right now.
Yeah, full. Was worth it though.
Very full, guys.
Lazy right, I know. Lazy.
We're gonna leave Ireland to Nonna for a bit.
Yeah. Gotta go relax.
No, we're gonna come back here and tiki and pokies.
Yeah, man.
Damn, I wanna watch YouTube.
Wait a minute. There's a park over there all that time?
Yeah, but it's not like a proper park. Look what I found in the car, guys. It's a grasshopper. Hey, grasshopper, come. Grasshopper.
Supposed to be in the grass, not the car.
Yeah, that's where it's supposed to be. It's a praying mantis. Grasshopper. Here, take him. Go.
Oh, that's why you got trapped in here. Well, it's a lucky day. Lucky we found you in time, eh? Because you know if we did left the car on, you would be dying in here in the seat, right? All right, let's go.
Spread a little cheerful island. Oh, oh. That's Casino's big tree.
Yeah.
Christmas tree. Yeah. Excuse me, guys. I hate eating meat and having meat in between my teeth. It's the worst, eh, babe?
Right here. Yeah.
Yeah.
It is.
So yeah, that is what's up.
I want this chocolate.
Sure you don't want ice cream?
No, I'm good, man.
Mwah.
Yeah, it is.
Eh?
Oh, water pretty for real. No island. You swim. And take off your hat. Give me a hat. We're back here in Evanshead. Gonna go for a swim again, guys. It's cold. Oh my god. Oh shit, I did it. It's always the hardest to get in at first. It's always hard to get in at first. It's like I don't want to be in here. It's cold still. You never pee in the ocean before?
Yeah.
Yeah, are you peeing?
Whoa.
No.
Still going?
Yeah.
Sit down, babe. It's warm. Island. Stop the going. Yay!
Look at the waves coming.
Nina, head tap for me now.
Hey boy.
Papa, Tita, Nina. Still is bouncing, syrup on a rush. Okay, Mama? Oh, the salt's strong though. Hey? Beautiful water today. It's so hot, guys. so hot, so really hot today. Hey, Bobo?
Yeah.
The next day of a hot weather.
Yeah.
Hey?
Yeah. It's so fun.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Swim like fish. Swim like fish.
Like a shark. Coming back.
Look, 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 look. Daddy swim. Stay there. Stay here. Here he comes, guys.
It still feels cold.
Don't be cold.
Not really.
Yeah.
Jesus, what is this? Sexy body. Sexy body.
What you
Have you ever
start
rubbed two stones together?
Look, Carrie's so cute.
Have you ever rubbed two stones together?
Yeah.
What
do you do?
happens?
I don't know what happens. What happens? Definitely.
Gets really hot.
Really?
It will burn.
It's such a lie.
No, it's true though.
It's true. Not out of the ocean though.
Yeah. If you rub it hard enough, it gets hot.
Oh, to start a fire.
No, not
It's
to
not
start.
that cold, babe.
It is.
No, it's not.
I got the one. Wow. Wow.
It's hot. It's like 40 degrees.
I got this one.
Oh, look. Island's got a rock too. What are you going to do with that rock?
I'm going.
Yeah. Island.
It's party. It's dancing party now.
Is it?
Yeah.
Dancing party.
Yeah.
Papa, Dina, tell her bounce, swing, Kira, on a rascal. I don't even know the song like that.
Dancing party.
Day at the beach with the fan band, you know?
I still can't get used to it, baby. It's like I can't sit down.
Really?
cold.
It's not. Sit down. You're being over dramatic now, guys. It's being over dramatic because it's really not that cold. Like, it's hot. It's a hot day today. Not like last time we came, it was hot, but it wasn't like it was, water was frozen. Like you still couldn't swim in it. But the water's so clear. You like swimming?
Yeah, with my
You like swimming in the water?
No, with my walk.
Huh?
With my walk.
I remember these rocks right here all along, babe.
Yeah.
These ones right here.
Oh no. They must have had like the big storm.
I'm trying to remember. Because that's where it was just a big opening until it.
Upright.
Piggy boy. Hmm? No, don't drink that water. Boy, why is it so wavy?
Island shark.
No, don't call the shark. The shark will come. Please, not today.
My dog. Good boy.
Come, Island. Come here. Come here with Mum and Dad, please. Tell them a story. You a crab? That's what crabs do in the water. Okay, go. Tell us a story.
Oh, you here? Oh no, you beat me.
Alright, watch him now. These two.
Mom.
Baby, how do you do this? How do you fling a rock? Oh my gosh. How do you fling it? You got one? You got one? Yeah, here, look.
Oh, yay.
Don't throw it at anyone.
Careful.
No, not here. Throw it over there, out there. Oh my gosh, it's going to give us a black eye.
Oh, doggy.
Doggy.
The ball.
The dog. Island.
Doggy get the ball.
The dog, Bobby. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm going blind and I can't see, Mama.
Trying to get the dog out the way.
It's
Right.
walk, Mom.
Island, look. Doggy get the ball.
Doggy.
Mom. Mommy.
Look at the doggy. Look.
Mom.
Yeah.
My work.
Dad.
Mom.
Yeah.
Look.
You want to walk?
No work.
Come here.
I want to work.
Let me hug. Let me hug and kiss. Hug and kiss.
Mom.
Blow nose.
Hey, boy.
Alright. Okay, I'm going to try to do it.
No.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
Careful of the tree there.
It's fully charged, right?
Yeah. What you doing?
Look at Sandu.
Sandu.
Yeah, look. It's so small.
Oh, you got skills, boy.
Yeah.
Big wave. Another big one. Woo, another big one. You're coming. Wait for this one. This is another big one. Ready, 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 go. Another one. Go. Sandwich.
Sandwich, guys.
In seconds.
What are you drinking, Red Stripe?
Yeah. Oh, I need this. And there. This red.
Okay, you ready? Which one is it, Island?
Don't worry.
Go, boss, don't worry.
In every life we have some trouble. When you worry, you make it stop, but don't worry.